everybody. Wow, this runs really smoothly on Windows 10. Holy crap. Look at this. Yeah, do you guys remember what it used to look like when I had Windows 7? Well, yeah. Let's get into this. So, we're going to do another Unreal Engine tutorial. If you're not sick of those, you don't have to do this part. I'm just gonna, no, not this. I'm gonna delete the first person preview just because I don't want it. Okay, so you're gonna have to, so I'll show you what we're gonna be making. We're gonna be making a flashlight this tutorial. So that's what it should look like when it's done. This camera. So what the thing's gonna be, I have a walking system and a sprinting system set up. That's why I'm going slow. Okay, so it's basically gonna be when you press F, a flashlight appears. Aha. So yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be creating today. If you like this video in any way, give it a like, share it with someone who might need this tutorial, one of your friend, a fellow game developer of yours, I guess. Sorry. Okay. First things first. Go to here. I'm gonna delete. You don't do any of this stuff. I'm gonna delete my stuff that I'm using, the code thing. So I'm gonna save it, so yeah. And it's not just code, it's in the viewport and it's in the project settings and the input and everything. So yeah, you probably knew that if you work with Unreal Engine. Yeah, so, and that's deleted. So I'll delete my flashlight out of the viewport. Compile that, save that, Control S. Now, this is done. I'm gonna quit game show just because it might make it faster. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna close this. Save the game, or the map. Yeah, save the map part. So now I was just adjusting it. So now, since I deleted everything, when you press F, it doesn't come up. So, well, one other thing I have to delete. Where is it? Settings. So I'll delete it and then I'll show you. Input. Flashlight, delete. Okay. So now everything's deleted. So what you want to do is go to settings up here. Click this. Or wherever you have it. You might have it switched around. Project settings. Okay. Input. And then click the plus on action mappings. Make sure you click this. Don't delete any of these. Don't delete anything. Don't delete this. Don't delete anything from these. You'll screw up your game. So press the plus on action mappings. Name it flashlight. And the key binding, whatever you set it to. I personally set it to the F key binding. Control save that. Or why is it not doing it? Maybe I have to get out of here. No, I guess you don't save that part. Okay, so, and then once that's done, go to find your first person character, click edit, first person character, get to the blueprint page, but we don't want blueprints yet. We want viewport. So, yeah, do that. Get it right here. Oh, weird. Wow. So now, go up to this big green button, add component. Light. You want to add a spotlight? Click it. Name it flashlight or whatever you want. It could be random. Then you wouldn't know what it is. I'm gonna name it flashlight. You name it whatever you want. Enter. So move it up to the camera area. And then what I like to do is put the outer cone angle down a little bit so then it looks like it's a flashlight. Let's see if no, don't set that 0. So move it however you like it. Move it whatever fits, and then press Control S, whatever you do to save it. And then when you're done, click compile. And you can keep on playing around with the settings until you like it. But it's gonna start out as you don't have to press F. It's just gonna be on. So we need to make a system for that. How do I have that open? That's weird. Okay. I'm gonna move that a little bit, over. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, you wanna put the flashlight inside the first person camera thing. So then it's like right in front of it, and then set all of the locations to 0. Like that. Bam. Control save. And yeah. You're not done yet though, so don't get all excited. You made a flashlight. Woo, don't go tell mommy. Made a flashlight in Unreal Engine 4. Now compile. There's one last step. So let's test this flashlight out. Let's see if it's perfect. Oh yeah, and if you want, you can play around with the outer cone angle, but and what the heck, I'll set it to there. So let's save it again. And then when you're done saving, you want to go to Event Graph. Well, if you're saving your project. Event Graph. So you want to do, first one is you want to drag the flashlight over into here. Wait, no. Right click, input, action, flashlight. Click the flashlight. Now you want to do a flip-flop node and connect that to pressed. And then and then you drag the flashlight in here. And then you hold this. And then, hold it. Toggle visibility. And then drag the flashlight in again. And then another toggle visibility. And now you're not done yet. So, yes. Now drag this to, yeah, that can be up there. Never mind, that looks good. Not good, it's done. It's not done. It's not done, Trish. So, drag this to A. drag this one to B. Ooh, yes. Now you wanna compile it. Control S. Go out and test if it works. When you press F, the flashlight turns on. You can obviously make this. You can obviously make this like, yeah, let's see. Oh, yep, it works. Yeah. So, yeah. You can obviously, wait, let's, oh yeah, and what I like to do is highlight it, press C, and then flashlight, oops, system, and then you have it all in a separate little thing, container. So, set up correctly, let me see. Yep. So, that's what you wanna get. So that's a tutorial. Compile it. Control S. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Now you've successfully made a flashlight in Unreal Engine 4. Congratulations. You can use it for whatever kind of game you're making. I don't really care. As long as it's a flashlight system. As long as I taught you something that you could actually use. You can of course go customize it. Like you can make a, what's it called? You can make a flashlight model and put it in front of the viewport and animate and everything. Oops, I made it go to console. Stupid thing. Oops. Like, you can edit. And I'm not going to obviously do this because it's for a tutorial purpose. But I could do this if I was making a game in the future that needed a flashlight. Find your flashlight. Or actually not find your flashlight. But you would move it out and then put the 3D model of a flashlight in front or behind it, and then it would look like the light was emitting from the flashlight. So, yeah. And you can also change the light color on something. Like, I'm gonna change mine to blue. That looks pretty. Looks cool. Compile. So, yeah. That's been the tutorial. How to make a flashlight in Unreal Engine 4. This is a very basic flashlight. You can get into depth with it. I'm not gonna obviously do that. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Yeah, no, it's crap blue. Unreal Engine 4 tutorial of how to make a flashlight in Unity. Not Unity. Unreal Engine 4. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Whatever that is, I'll do. Crazy shenanigans, I guess. See you later. Bye-bye, folks.